brain is exhausted. It didn't run a marathon. It didn't lift heavy boxes. It didn't even finish that one email sitting in drafts. And yet, it feels like it just returned from battle. Nothing big happened today, but somehow, the brain is tired of everything. This isn't laziness. Fake rest. This is what scientists call mental fatigue. It's not the body that's drained. It's the mind. Because what looks like rest is often nothing of the sort. Scrolling through feeds, clicking the next episode, flicking between apps. It feels like downtime. But every swipe is another caffeine shot to the brain. Fake rest is still stimulation. The body is sitting, but the brain is buzzing. It's like drinking coffee at midnight and calling it a nap. The brain cafe. Picture the mind as a small cafe. In the morning it opens clean, fresh beans, empty counters, everything ready. But all day, little orders keep flooding in. Notifications, tabs, messages, ads. Each one a tiny espresso shot. By evening, the cafe is a mess. Cups stacked, counters sticky, noise everywhere. The cafe feels exhausted, and yet it never really served anything meaningful. That's the strange part. You didn't do much today, but your cafe never closed long enough to reset. The espresso crash. Mental fatigue is exactly that. Not a shortage of strength in your muscles, but an overflow of half-finished thoughts, decisions, distractions. Each one drains a little more, like too many espresso shots back to back. Instead of feeling sharp, you end up shaky, restless, and strangely tired. Real rest. So what does real rest look like? It's not another show, not another scroll, not another shot of digital espresso. Real rest is quiet. It's boredom without panic. It's staring out the window, walking without headphones, or sipping tea slowly. The brain calls this reset mode the default network. It only turns on when stimulation stops. That's when memories consolidate. That's when creativity sparks. That's when energy refills. But if the cafe is always open, if the brain is always chugging shots of input, the reset never comes. The reset plan. So how does the brain finally rest? Step 1. Rebrand boredom. If something feels empty, that's the cafe, finally breathing. It's not wasted time, it's repair time. Step 2. 1 screen-free hour. Close the cafe for just 60 minutes. No glowing screens. No espresso shots. Draw, nap, cook, sit. Anything but scroll. Step 3. Nature. Outside, there are no notification bells, no autoplay. Just wind, trees, air. That silence is your cafe's best cleaner. Step 4. Protect your beans. Mental energy isn't unlimited. Don't waste it on micro decisions all day. Save the good beans for the things that matter. So if you feel tired after doing nothing, it's not weakness. It's overstimulation. Your cafe has been open 24 hours a day, flooded with endless orders it never wanted. The cure isn't more coffee. It's closing the cafe. It's silence. It's real rest. Because tiredness isn't just about what you did. It's about what you let in.